Good morning, student. The next topic in the next class. So, economic lesson 3, food security and nutrition. So, next lesson, food security and nutrition. First, food. So, the human healthy life need for food for and the security need the safety food, the healthy food. First one is the introductions. The what is mean by food? What is mean by food? Food is defined as any substance that people eat and drink the maintain eat and drink the to maintain the life and growth. The food security could be denote a person ability. The person ability mainly the to eat enough and stay active and need for the healthy life. So mainly what is meant by food means the food as any substance that people eat and drink to maintain the life and growth. Food securities could denote the person ability to enough. So next one is what is mean by food security. The food security that exists when all the peoples at all the times have a physical, social and economic. So some people's rich, some people's middle class people, some people's very poor. So depend upon the food securities. So rich people's going to buy a quality food items. The middle class people's the low quality food items going to buy, and lower caste people's the lower levels people's go to buy the very poor quality of the food items going to buy. So here the exist when all the peoples at all times have a physical, social and economic access to sufficient the safe and nutrition food when meets the meat needs and food preference for an active and healthy lives. The FAO, Food Agriculture Organization in 2009, in this mainly the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations define the food securities as follows. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations is followed by these food securities exist when all the peoples at all the times have a physical, social and economic access to sufficient and safe and nutritious food which need the need and the food preference for an active and healthy lives. In FAO in 2009, 2009 FAO in 2009. While these comprehensive definitions, the highlight that the need for food, mainly the highlight need for food for nutrition, need for food to be nutrition in the peoples. In the additions to there are certain the aspects that are required to achieve the nutrition security. There are certain to achieve the nutrition securities, but according to the eminent, the agriculture scientist, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, the agriculture scientist. Who is the M.S. Swaminathan is famous for? Agriculture scientist. The nutrition security is the physical and the economic, and the social access. To be a balanced physical and the economic and the social access to be balanced, the equals. The balanced diet, the safe drinking water, the main three important point the M.S. Swaminathan scientist told you. First one is the physical, economic and the social access to be balanced the diet, the safe drinking water, and environmental hygienists. So, drinking water, environmental hygienics, the primary health care and the primary education. So, this is the important one.